some light in here. Oh, yeah, boys. Okay. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Good. Looks like the audio is working. Okay. That's what we're looking at. All right. This is the 1 minute. If I have the 1 minute here, I don't really need it here, do I? Let's change this to the 5 minute. Put this to the 15 minute. All right, let's do a markup here. I'm just getting ready. It's 2 o'clock at my time, which is half an hour before market open. Let's have a look. I might just put 0. No, I don't want that on 45 either. That one on 15. Default. All right, I'm just going to do the high time frame real quick. So we got to look at the daily. Let's turn this off. Where is this going to? Right there. So this is all the volume here up until this. It's including this bar here. It's kind of irrelevant, but now we'll do it to that bar just for fun. This is the delta, the difference volume. We got massive. This is a tiny little gap there. This is a target, man. For that little tiny gap. What happened here? Was that when it changed over? I don't know. I'm not sure what happened on this gap here, but this. I don't remember seeing that. I've got it marked out in the lower time frames. Okay, we're going to go ahead and clear all this off. First of all, though, I actually need to do this. Disconnect that. Tools. Database management. I don't know if you need to do this if you have a is it restore? To restore previous reset. Service data from the chart. So we do update. This might take a while. What? Sorry, this one. Remove at user added instruments. I don't know what that means. I can't. Yeah, I can actually. All right, let's quickly do this. I've got work. I've got to be done by 4 o'clock. I've got to be done basically at the market lunchtime. And I go to my day job. So I've added this on there because I found the code for this. This has been removed from TradingView, but I like it because it's like an RSI, but instead of RSI doing the open and close, it just does the high and the low. So it kind of feels like it's got the full volatility into it. So I'm just doing it to just test to see. Sorry, I need to get that there. Got to restart Ninja. Don't want it so faded. Okay. Cool. Is that like that? Okay. I just love how the zero lag works. It just seems so much cooler. Why does this have an SMA on it? Okay, save this. Sorry. No. And this one I'm going to put like a 21 or 50. I'll put a 50 since we're on the 1 minute. You can see it just chops into that, but this is the 50 area. This is like the low volatility area, or the chop zone, you can call it. Okay. We can leave that like that. Point 0.3 and 0.7. What about if I put this at 0.2 and 0.6? Does that make sense? 2. What does this go up to? It goes 0 to 1. So 0.5 is 6. So if I went 6. So it should be 0.3 now. 6 and 3. Yeah. 1 down, 4. Oh no, that's wrong. So we do this one at 6. No, 5. No, where's the halfway? That's halfway. That's 50. Yeah. So we got 6, and I want 4. Like normal. That was weird. Okay. Nobody in chat, so I don't even have to talk to myself. All right, let's have a look here. Cool. And then do it this way. 0 lag inputs. We'll do this at 50. We'll stick there. Okay, apply these settings to the entire layout. All right. So we're on the daily. Obviously, we have the daily high. I like the daily high and the daily low. This was the previous, obviously, daily high, daily low. And I'll put this one in here as well, because that actually matches up perfectly with that. Okay. I've been watching Raja, and he likes to do this stuff, right? So he likes like this kind of type of a line. Maybe he does it there. I'm not quite sure how he does it. I've just started watching his stuff. He's pretty interesting though. I liked his point of view, so I'm going to be catching up with him. Anyways, so let's go to my 4-hour. And I'll do a little line here. So this would be the breakout high, maybe to come back and retest. So we do this. I don't really want those. Just leave those green for now. That's good enough. I've cleared off. Oh, I cleared off all my anchor view apps. Oh, you absolute bastard. That was annoying. I think I had it here. That's one. And then just off this recent one, that's just the pivot point of the actual turn of 2000. Don't know what happens if I put one here. Hold on. So this includes basically the bottom, which I bought that bottom out. Look at that. So that is my absolute low range, yeah? If we come back down here, holy moly, that'd be amazing. So this is a support and resistance here. We could just put like a little box there. Yeah. And a demand zone for this demand right here. All right, so I'm going to put some anchor VWAPs. These things are gold, man. Absolute gold, I'm telling you. If you're not using these, you don't know what you're doing. But normally I use them only if I normally only use them up to like, if they're getting chopped through, like this one got chopped through and then retested, so I leave it on, right? But I'm not sure I'll put this one on because too long ago, it's not a major, this is like a retest. This isn't like an actual breakthrough, even though it looks like it held something there. Okay, I'll leave that one on since that kind of looks like a retest. Or you can stick it where the demand is, like that's the demand right there, but it doesn't look as good. And you got your moving averages there anyway. So we just do it there. All right. And we've got one, basically some like one zone right in here. Yeah. Happy with that? Support resistance, well, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so now we're going to go into an hour. See what the hour looks like. Oh, I didn't see my monthly. My weekly is the same. Monthly. I didn't actually mark. I deleted my monthly mark off. So my previous month is already marked. That's good. Okay, so what we're at, 1 hour. This is bearish. On the flipping 5 minute, what are we here? This is 15, yeah. That looks just like a bearish distribution, like they call them Adam and Eve. I don't know if that's actually a real thing, but this looks like an Adam and Eve from what I've been told. That bar right there looks bearish as hell. But you never know. Market's going to open in just a few moments. I need to get this going again after I close it. I'm really not going to be using that. Okay, and then I'm going to the 5 minute here. So I don't know. He was using the 30 minute. There's nothing here really. So See this bar here, right? This is the bar of interest. This bar right there, is that even in one? Yeah, this bar is just absolute the beaut. So this bar I count as support. This is called big bar power. If you watch Oliver Velez, it's true. If you look on any chart, look at the biggest bar. It normally doesn't just blast straight through big bars. People stack orders in there. It must be the case. Or orders get missed on the gap. Like this gap here. Like that's if you zoom in. If I can find the big bar. Let's see if there's any gaps, big gaps there. So like this gap right there. I guess this would be the fair value gap right here, but on the higher time frame. This is the extreme. This is basically a gap right above the supply. Yeah. This is the ultimate target. While I'm talking about it, I'll just put it up there. And I'll put it to the bottom of the demand. So that's gap and demand, yeah. I'll just change the color to gap color, I guess. Which made no difference. That's the border. Okay, save this. Yeah. Okay, zoom. This is my 1 minute. I don't need this. 5 minute. Okay. You can see this low here. So, okay, so the daily, when did the market open? It's the 12th today, yeah. I'll just put the sessions on. This does it for you. So that's the session low for Sydney. That's your final low. So out of the day. So the pre-market here is here. Bang. And we're making new lows for the pre-market. So you can always put something there if you just want to know where it is. Right. Then the London really, since the market opened in the beginning of the global opening, that's your low there. I guess the top of London, that's your high. We'll mark it since that's one of our strategies. Okay. I still haven't learned how to move my thing anywhere, but we'll see. I don't know how I sound either, so I've got 10 minutes. The 15-minute just throws me off because I think it's a 5-minute now. This is a 5-minute. I'm just going to put that there. Just want to see how that closes. See, that's a nice little bar for the 5-minute. Very bearish divergence there, right here. If that sticks, you could try a 2-to-1 off of this right into the open, but it's just not worth it because you're wicked out maybe both ways. And look, it's coming down anyway. It looks bearish as hell. I think there's no news. There's CPI tomorrow. Isn't that what it is? CPI. Tuesday, USA core CPI, CPI month over month, CPI year over year. And, CHF is Switzerland CPI. They do it on the same day. And GBP, we got some big news tomorrow. So this, I'm expecting a choppy, rangy day, at least by history. Like history normally makes a pretty choppy, good two-sided market. It's a good market to make money. All right, so 2 minutes, I'll be right back. What's the time? What's the time? 5 minutes. I'll be back in 5. Two minutes. All right, boys and girls, let's do this. Let's do this. All right, I'm going to move my... I want you guys to be able to see this chart as well. I need the time of sales here. So I'm just... Oh, hold on. Let's just make this single screen right now. There we go. We're open. Market is chunking down to the bottom there. Woo-wee! What's happening? Where's our mark? We're Globex there. Just powering through. Let's have a look. Now it looks like we're going to come back up. It looks like it's found something. It really didn't crunch through that, though. Oh, I'm going to long that. One thing I'm working on, I need to try to not. I need to wait for a little bit longer before I go. Yeah, this is looking bearish. It's gapped down. It covered the gap on the 1 minute. Yeah. FOMO. You can't, dude. You just can't short that at the beginning of the market because, first of all, the markets normally go up, So here we go. Now it's found some juice. It's getting close to that line. We're looking for a buy off of this line. I want to put an anchored VWAP there. That is on the anchored VWAP as well. This looks like it's going to go early. Does it? They do, but they do go. Oh, have I missed it? Just looking for a quick scalp off of this. Yeah, it's going to go. I'll buy one contract. I'm going to put stop below here. I'm going to size into this if it goes down a bit more, depending on how it looks. 5 minute candle still got. Ooh, maybe I'll get out of this. I think I might get another chance. I've got to be careful with the data on this. Yeah, it's going to go. How high it's going to go, we don't know. I would say top of the New York, which is right here. I guess I have to put it, since I'm only one contract, I'll put it up there. I should get into this bar. I'm just looking for a good place. Like to see it kind of and then come down, break some of that, come down here and wick down, catch a wick down. The wick, I guess the buy would be here if I want to catch the wick, or I would buy above that wick, close above this. I don't know. I still haven't learned those boys, Raj and Donvo. He doesn't use the 1 minutes either, so he's on much higher time frame. So I have to also translate that. Okay, so this is a massive area of demand straight off. Anchored VWAP is, you have to be ready on anchored VWAP. I've noticed this happens a lot. It gets front run, right? And that normally, have you ever noticed a level that gets front run? If you put the anchored VWAP on, you'll notice it's close to the end. It's just, there's just excess volume there. Where this algos, I got to go. Oh, no, I'm just going to take it off here. It's a good risk reward. I don't know what it was. I didn't check it, but it's decent risk to reward. I'm going to try and get back in here. Is that my New York session? Hold on, let's pull this up. This is why I want this on the 1 minute as well. Just my execution. Okay. This would be a sell now. If you want to try and catch a scalp. Got decent probability. That's your risk. Go touch above that just in case it comes up and bumps up against it. That's some. So this right here, I like to do this. So you got a 5 minute bar, yeah? Going to be closed in 6 seconds. So take your measuring kind of gauge thing, whatever you want to call it, your fib. You see, this is the targets. These are the entries, Get close into here. You're probably coming down to here at least for the entry. This is looking strong now with CPI. This is looking to make, it's made probably is made the low of day, right? That's probably the low of day. You never know. It might come down and test it again and just nick below it. But roughly, this area could be the low of day. To break through this, it has to be some sort of event. And on pre-CPI day, I would suggest probably not. realize there's nobody in the chat, but I'm just talking to myself right now and practicing. Okay, look at this bar here. See, this thing looks conspicuous. So if you were shorted, you would have got touched out, but I would think about getting back in. You might have got touched out. You might have just had enough space on there. Really, you want to see closes above. Like this wick area right here is looking like an area that's just going to keep happening. Especially you've gone big bar. No, if you've gone decent reversal bar. Looking for basically the risk reward. If you get a 2 off of this, you know your edge is gone, right? So 2 from the close. Oh, is that the bottom? I normally do it from the bottom. So you're 2 times. So yeah, you got space on this. This could be a long. You do have space. If you get a close above this area, this could be a long. Sitting on top of that 200, well, sitting at the 50, this is not convincing. You just got to see what happens. 7 seconds on this 1 minute. This does look like a pause. This probably is going to come back down. You know, it's being rejected twice off of this. I want to probably sell. We know it's CPI day. We know follow through is going to get sold off unless something happens. And it looks like I'm going to miss it. So this will be our first, and then you're going to, let's just see what it does off of this. Because normally you're going to get your second move. I might be trying to look at, if this looks strong, normally I can see if it holds at 50, you get wicks down here, and the bars are slowly getting smaller. I'm going to attempt a long to that, to at least 2R, or 2R from the open. So I know this is my basically, once you get up here, to get another 2Rs, it doesn't happen as often, right? Normally you'll get some sort of like corrective move, maybe a reversal. I don't know what to do now. I didn't make much money off that first bit today. Oh, 470. My target is 1200. So, man, why did I go in with 2? Oh, this got a nice little bar here. This is a first entry. Higher low, though. This is a higher low. This is a second entry. I'm going to try it. If that holds, it's going to be so bullish. I'm telling you right now. I'm going to look for a measured move. Nope, it's not. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm actually going short. That looks like a rejection. 20 seconds left. No, it was too early. Well, no. Yeah, it's going short. I'm going to go again. 2 contracts. Targeting there. It is about, it's a little bit over 1-to-1. Come on. Just going to push that blue at least. It's going to want to close the gap. Should take one off. Got stopped out. Now, are we going long? Just didn't close the gap. On this, on the 1 minute, it's a way bigger looking gap. Oh no, the gap is from, sorry, the gap is from 5 minutes. Looks like a small gap, but there's a big gap here. We're about to get a pretty bullish bar, but nowhere close. Sorry, 1 second. All right, I'm back. Van is in the shop. Oh, mate, what a drawdown. I had to endure that drawdown while on the line, pretending to be cordial while I'm absolutely flailing. Okay, so obviously I took that second contract too early. I didn't realize this gap here. I was too much crap on my chart. So now I'm looking for a 1-to-1 off of this right now. I'm looking for like basically this, just in case, because the entry on one of those is a bit short. But we'll probably get a second leg, and the measured move off of this second leg, I might just hold it since I need the money. I'm just going to risk it. And plus, this is this is your higher low now. If this holds, this would be your higher low. You got some decent wick here. How much time's left on you got a minute left in this. So this bar here, whatever this bar does, is a pretty telling bar. You're going to get some move off of this, and I'm going to start to try and measure out a move. What's the measurement of this? So the absolute high to low is from there to there. So roughly that too. So you could measure that as to there if it doesn't wick down. This would be great if it works out. I put the stop just below this 3/4 area. I might go to lower day, but I'm pretty sure the lower day, if anything, is just going to get nicked on. Really, if you see this rejection on that 5-minute bar, you should expect to go down to the lower sign, if on an average day. So that's why I was thinking about taking one off, and I'm still thinking about it. Closed pretty bullishly, man, but you're against moving averages. I wouldn't suspect this to be a massive move. Oh no, this looks like it's going to do enough. It looks like it's going to do what I'm thinking. It's going to come against me. Got to risk it to biscuit. How bullish do we think we are off that VWAP? I'm pretty sure, unless it wants to come test it again, which would be painful, I might take a contract off. Okay, I took a contract out at least. I should probably just take them all out. It's a pretty bullish bar on the 5-minute. Yeah, it's going to come fill that wick in. I'll try and snack another nice little move. I mean, that looks like it could even have us. This is a second entry on this reversal. If this reversal holds here, sorry, I'm just going to eat my sandwich. I'm just going to get out of this. I'm going to try and time it better. I'll come with a bit more size here. It's going to pick its direction. Look, this wick here, I'm going to have a look what it does. I like the look. You might get front run. Really, what I'm looking now to see is a 2-legged move down into this area here with some wicks. Just don't know where those wicks are going to be. Oh, I feel like some buyers have come in. Tape is, if you watch the tape, it's pretty even. There's just orange. So the orange, I guess, is somewhat negative. If you're going higher against orange, with the algos, this is basically the algos going in and out the high frequencies. This is more of the 2 contracts plus. See all that selling up there. I gotta go to work in an hour. I gotta leave for work in an hour, and I need to make some money. Pretend money, but it will be real. I promise. My kids depend on it. That's how I know. I love my little kidlings. All right, let's go. Come on. My kidlings watch this. You can hear this is what Dad done all day, just to flip and try and make our lives better. Every day since you've been, well, since I decided that I want to make your lives as best as possible. All of our lives, including my own. It's looking bearish. I'm expecting down here. This is my buy point, probably. I will buy in this area here. A wick into this area. I might just take it a quick order because into this wick zone. I'm going to put a buy here. One, I don't know if it's going to get there. It probably will hit there. No, one off of that. Yeah, we'll do here. And then I'll buy another one on with a good bit of confirmation. You can see it's big load of demand. Ding, ding, just a little kind of a slow with a big spike down to grab the juice. Probably get a big spike down and grab some more juice at the thing, at the anchor VWAP. It's looking like a divergence. We'll see how it goes here with this bar close. You never know. We'll see how this goes. This could just hammer straight down to hell. As you can see, it's finding resistance. Got some buyers in here. 4 contracts. This is like 15, 20 contracts. Just sitting right here. Just on the bigger guys. So it done a doji or a shooting star on the second leg. It's the first part of the second leg. So I suspect a second mini leg of this. So this is 1, 2 for the first leg. 1. I wouldn't even know if I would call that. This could go up and back down, right? This is still on the first leg in my eyes. You never know. This could just go straight back up. You know it's really bullish if it doesn't form the second leg and just cuts it off. And you're just like some gimp. All right, so like it's doing now. Just looks like it's going to go. Just going to buy one. Okay, put it below that. I still want another one there. So now basically down here, 10, 9 seconds. This could go bearish right now against me. It better close here. I'm out. Oh, you just closed above it. They do that on purpose. You grab those sell orders. Now it's going to fill the wick in. I'm actually going to get out. Some point in time here. Let's touch off that demand, right? That's the demand candle. Straight into that. Should expect something, but you also I expect this another little mini leg down. That's probably, and the market will fight for that. Honestly, it will fight for this leg. So this is going to be choppy to try and get that leg. If the market just says no, we're going up anyway, then you know you got big buyers down there. More time goes by, this looks better, but I still expect this to come down a touch. Big bar, big open, close way above it. Here we go. Do I want to get in with size? Don't know. Suppose just have to just make a decision. Oh yeah, that was another thing I want to put on, some volume. I don't know how to do that because I didn't think. Yeah, what? Okay, hold on. What does it have here for volume zones, volume up or down, volume profile, volume oscillator, volume counter, volume MX? It's just, there's no just what regular volume. I've been watching it. I know that I can do it off a price action, but I would just like that little bit of extra. If I see a high volume bar, give me a bit of a clue. and gives me more conviction. Is there a tick volume? I swear there was a tick volume. So now you can see this is a breaker structure, yeah? One leg down, two legs down. It looks like a short leg. I haven't measured it, but it looks like a short leg. That's why my buy was down there. So I expect some sort of trouble here below the 200 on the 1 minute and below your averages, but you're above your 200 on your 5 minute. No, you're not. You're in the zone. You're just up against it. So it's just going to be trouble. Three o'clock reversal. What's going to happen? Dump. Or 10 o'clock reversal, whatever you want to call it. That looks like a trappy bar. Don't expect that one to take off. Maybe it will, but see how they mess with your emotions? Will I go? 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 Will I stay? Will I no? Will I go out? Will I go down? Will I go both? So remember, shorts and longs are making money all the time and losing money, but both need a chance. The shorts still need to make some money here. Until they give up. And they're going to try and make some money somewhere else. 5 minute bar close. Pretty bullish. Is that bar? It was. It was this bar, I think. Yeah, it was. I didn't see that. I'm just watching it, man. If I get the move up here, what is that? 64.50. Jeez, I'm above. That's dodgy. And that measure move doesn't even count up to there anymore. That measure move is now up to there. Remember, and I've only got the one contract on now. I'm expecting another shoulder here at least. Coming in that 3 o'clock reversal or 10 o'clock reversal these boys talk about. I'm not super convicted on this trade, so on this entry, I think it's going to come lower, but you never know. I'll see in 3 minutes. But if I were, they're going to, the initial sellers sold into that. You got the pigment that sold some more. So imagine everybody who's trying to get out. They run out. They slowly run out. You get the divergence, higher low, which is a micro higher low. This is an embedded higher low. This is why I call it a trappy bar. Because they normally get trapped out, at least. Like just the market makers will get all that. but you'll be able to get a scalp. I know people, I watch people on YouTube, they scalp just that right there and they're out. And I've done that myself loads of times. Catch it, you know you're going to get a few ticks out of it, you just take it off. I'm trying to get decent risk to reward on every trade, so my mistakes don't punish me as much until I get more accuracy. It's going slow, man. If you look at the closes are looking all bullish so far. We're just like a little pullback close. I expect a little lower low here. And this could be the shoulder forming moment. The inverted shoulder for the head and shoulders. I think the head has been formed. The shoulders there. You got a head and a shoulder here. It looks like it's, you know, you've got this here. So this area right there. I'm not going to put a limit order though. I'm going to wait just in case this thing just dive bombs against me. Big sellers. 18. There's a load of sells right there. Huge amount of sells. Look at that. Let's see how that sucked it up. So there's buyers right here right now. People are eating this up. Look at that push. Just all those sellers. It's going to nuke this thing. 15 again sold. Or maybe they released it. You can't tell, but man. This is what, two of them. So this is looking bullish. Can't see my 5-minute bars. So that's 1, 2. Yeah, it's looking slow and grindy. Best way to do this is keep your slow and grindy. I just bought another one. What an idiot. Did not want to do that. It's about to go against me. Flip. Thought that was my stop loss. Sellers are coming in, man. Buyers are buying. Passive buyers just keep buying up. Sellers, more sellers. Algo sellers. Big 15 contracts there. All this orange, this, and this hasn't moved. So you just got somebody just chomping up buys. But eventually I want to get this shoulder. I'm going to go hard on the buys. If those buyers don't disappear. It's normally the 3 o'clock people. They're just like, okay, start buying. The 10 o'clock, sorry, the 10 o'clock reversal people. But this is going to go down. Then we'll see what happens. This is looking shockingly slow. You got to see like 5-minute bar. So normally, if this is going to be a breakout candle, this is going to be a bigger bar or at least the same. It closed at its high, and it's just taking out its low, right? So anybody that bought with like 5-minute, like wick down. I could have taken a short. I really was fancying that short, but it's because I was so bullish right here. 3 minutes on this candle here, on the 5-minute. This is our shoulder. Oh God, this is not pretty. So this is the first leg, second leg. We see what happens. When my limit order, I can't remember where my limit order was. It was here, I think. I'll do another one. I'll do 2 contracts. Just in case. So, right, so you look at that. If you get a close above that, two minutes left. Tape, 18 buyers. So the 18 that got sold got bought back up. Oh, should I put one on? I'm going to put one on. I've got two down here. FOMO'd into that. I don't know. I want this too much. It's too dangerous, man. Buyers are there. Buyers are coming in. Sellers. Let's see what they do. Got an hour till I need to basically leave for work. Oh, should I get out of this one? Sellers are coming in. Damn it, it's taking out my thing. Look at these buyers are coming in. I should have stayed this contract in. I'm getting flipped around. Three contracts. Come on. Right there on that shoulder. This is a dangerous move. It's too early. I said normally it's not got a second leg, but the buyers are buying. We're just going to see a ton of sellers come in at the 200 again. Yep. Here comes a shit ton of sellers. They fucking wrecked me. I'm out. What am I doing? Just hold it there. What a failure. They just wanted the buyers of retail dumb money. I just got done for the dumb money. I don't want to look at the P&L just now because next I need to just crank it. This is absolutely winding me up. Huge amount of sellers. Just take the ticks into that selling juice. Huge amount of buyers, 20 lots. This is a absolute beast chunk of a move. Hey, here we come. Should have taken some off. We know buyers are there. No. It's a micro of what happened there. Just want to see some active buying here. So when your algos come bullish, that's when you know that active buyers are in. Oh, okay, let's look at the P&L while we have this. Oh, man, still in the money. Just bought that level. Expected a reaction. It just wants to make this second leg here. Struggling to do so. Buy limit. I'm going to put another buy, 2 buys right here. Not sure where though. Probably right. Sellers are coming in. I'm gonna hold this. Closed above our line or our buy line. Starting to sweat. Starting to sweat. Looking good. I haven't even looked at the tape. Not much happened on the tape either. So it's just, this must be algos on the big tape. We've got little tape. Little tape looks, big tape starting to come in. Little tape is just jumbled. Big tape's got 10 on the buy. Woo, yeah, let's go. Look at the nice 5-minute close, baby. Look at that. So now we're looking for a measured move. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 3 o'clock reversal happened 10 minutes late today. We're ready to rumble. Nice, nice, nice. What's the P&L? Shouldn't do this, but I'm doing it anyway. I'm halfway to my daily target. So really, I should take some off when I get there. It's going to be somewhere around about there will be my daily target. I shouldn't limit my daily target. How much time do I got? I got till 4 o'clock. Emotions are running hot, boys. This was my real risk, right, on the trade. That bit right there. Whatever that was, we can measure it out. Ten ticks. I think that's in ticks, yeah. 10 ticks. And 10 ticks in NQ is, oh God, don't ask me, it's 500? No, 50 per contract? Yeah, 50. I think something wrong. It's got a 5 in it. Or maybe it's 250. I think it's either 250 or 5. I can't remember. I got to get that calculation down. Yeah, boy. All right. I should clip this one. I might clip this and put this on. I know it's only my trying to get it funded, but what an entry. Oh. Come on. Don't take it away. Don't take it away. Damn it. Sellers are coming in. Gap down. Baby gap. Take some off. Take some off. This is just trying to flush. It's got to be. It's trying to flush. It's going to grab this juice maybe. Don't look good though. Watching the tape. It wants to close that little baby gap. Closed it and got pushed way past it. So that's a bullish sign. So sellers are going to do what they do. Try and grab this a little bit. Oh, what a slow day, man. Monday. Just close 2 of them. Look, this is what they want you to do. All them emotions start going, baby. Entry is tidy. Entry is tidy on the pullback. I mean, tough to get, causing a lot of hell, a lot of pain, a lot of suffering. Especially with the leverage on NQ. These are just machine sellers, man. They're machines. It's the Terminators. The T2000. Let's have a look. Tape is slowed right down, going passive. It's retesting the breakout. Buyers on buyers are coming in. Buyers on the algo buyers. That's what I'm trying to call them. No big buyers though, so this could be just whipsaw. Now we got some more. Don't trust the algo buyers, man. They're making the longs pay for this. They're making them pay with time. I ain't got no time, man. I gotta go. I need this trade to go. Oh, we're losing it. We're losing everything. It's all gone tits up. Okay, stay focused. We've got a big bad close below this on the 1 minute. This is just, you just gotta, you don't know what's gonna happen. So you gotta risk something. And here we go. Getting rid of that limit order. We've got some now manky looking head and shoulders. I do not know what's going to happen here. We've got the nabbing of a lot of liquidity. Well, we don't know, but there's been some buyers, some people buying still just now on this move. But this is looking bearish, boys. I need to get out. Trade is gone. I need to reverse the trade. I need to get out and see what happens, man. None of this looks good. People are just getting stopped out. You gotta let this feed through. It's gonna take some time if the long works, but I'm looking down here now. I'm looking at VWAP giving me a chance. It's right at the bottom here. Just spike through to the jump up. Here comes the sellers. I need to get out 4 points out. If you just waited for this long to here, you would have been happy. And even now you won't be buying. It's just a ding, ding. This is just proper machine bot selling, though. I never trust the machines. 17 contracts out the door just then. Slowly sucking it up. All right, change my risk now. It's gone to that much on the trade. So 2 times of that much. We're back just in the money. I don't know. Oh, I haven't even checked the settings on this thing. How do you do it? Is this the volume? Hello, hello? Oh, mate, have I been on low volume this whole time? I don't know what that does, what that does. I'm just changing these settings, just going to test them so nobody's in here. Hello, 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 hello. There's 3 settings. Oh, here it is. Tight stereo, wide stereo, tight stereo, front and back, front. Just putting front on. Okay, and then it's Microsoft microphone gain. Just put it in the middle. Taking some risk off. Don't feel like blowing the account on stream if that thing just hammers down. Or I could just go 10 contracts and scalp out my daily target, because this would be a good spot. Nice liquidity run, 2 targets down. Actually, I want to go heavier here. 3 contracts. Closed above there. So a little bit of a sign here. It closed above there. This is a second entry scalp right here. 5 seconds left on it. I'm going to go up to 5 contracts. I'll take 2 contracts off right here. Where's the wicks going to go? Just going to scalp out some money, and then active buyers coming in with it. They're getting stopped by the bloody active sellers. I mean, the passive sellers. So those are people taking profit on this little bounce, must be. We've got a pretty nice looking bar here. I'm going to move this up. So this liquidity line is right here. So my second bar is now that it's been activated. Let's just quickly have a look here. 2 times. Oh, mate, I hate this. It's just stuck like this. Squeeze into that. I still cannot see my... It's just a rough day, boys. A slow day, I want to call this. Slow day. I'm out. Just there, I guess. I don't want to see it hit, just blast past this. So look, to break the highs, it's going to be, to break the highs and carry on going, it's going to be hard. It hasn't even come back and retested this. I think that's what it wants to do before it does anything else. So I might just take some quick profits here. See if I can recover back up to 500. The problem is you don't want to close a scalp at the beginning of a move, and I've got this move right here. This I haven't measured it out because I can't find. So I do it from there to there, 2x. The 1 is there where I've got it. 2 is right there at 180.48. I'm moving it. 180. Oh, here it is. 180.48 even. Oh yeah, I want to add to this. I am adding. I put 6 on. I added an extra 1. You gotta add. I know, pros, add. When it's time, the time is here. I should have added 2, but that's where we're at. So I'm just gonna check what I have on. Positions. Why is it only saying 4? Huh? Oh no, sorry, 6. Yeah, we're basically at my target. So I was just going to take that off. I'm going to put that there. Now I'm losing. Should I put this risk back on? Let's come to the breakout area. Buy. Bought 1. I mean, only because I'm pretty convinced on this long at the moment. Tapped the, so it is 4, yeah. What's the P&L? Open profit and loss. Okay, I don't understand what the hell that's saying. What's the total for the day? I'm at 700 at the moment. I mean, look at that. Well, that's one. Wait, that's not it. We're going to definitely take some off there. That's only 1 off. No. Sell limit. We've got 4 on. We're going to take 2 off there. Oh, what? Sell limit. 4 contracts, yeah? I don't know what's going on with this thing on this trade. I've made it confused. It's pissing me off. So there we go. It's 47.50, 48. And that will leave 2 running. I'll be well in profit from a day. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. How do I change the description of this video? This is day 2 of my progression. I need to add a description to this video. I would love to know how I could change my description. Into heavy juice. Where is this for? 30 seconds on this ball. How high to the top is it going to close? How high to the top is it going to close? It's going to close a wick. Heavy selling coming in from the algos. They want to cover that. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. It's giving you a nasty sell here on the 1 minute. Now I'm getting screwed out of everything again. It's all going to hell, man. People rushing to get out. Rushing. 15:30. That's 3:30. Mate, I got to get out of this. This looks bad. Where was my stop? Right there. Are they going to come for it? Because that is going to look like they're going to want to come for it. No, they're going to take it. They just faked everybody out. I'm going to increase size 2 contracts. We're going to take 2 off here. We're going to take sell limit 1 off here. And that will bring me back to 3. I should maybe change that around. 2 off there. 1 off there. The breakout's about to happen. I shouldn't be taking any off, but because I'm on Apex, I can't make too much in one day. If I'm trying to pass the challenge, I'm already at my target for the daily target. So just let this one happen. Hold on. So what am I? I got 5 contracts on that. Takes me down to 3. Oh, I can't change it. Sell limit. There we go. So that's going to bring me back down to 2. Then I'll leave 2 to run. Leave 2 to run. I'm going to start going to get ready for work, boys. I'll let this just trade run for you. All right. This is a test microphone day, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Actually, there is a way to hear myself. Where is that? No, that's mute microphone button. Edit. Discretion. Discretionary, TRADE. Discretionary shading. Profit target. $1,300 day. Why did I put a hashtag there? Trading. I don't have it. Dollars. There we go. Where did that get to? 48? Oh, that was my target. I'm out. I'll just target that there. That was me too. So what is it? 1630. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the stream. Okay, perfect. Save it. I'm out. I would be long if I was you guys. Well, I've made my target, blasted through it. High day was 1800. Yeah. Took a while, painfully slow, but CPI is tomorrow. Okay, so let me just have a quick look when CPI is. CPI is tomorrow at my time, 1:30. All right, so I'll be on at 1 o'clock. I'll be on earlier tomorrow. I'm going to try and see what happens here on CPI and see if I can get a little bit of a move here. On the trading on my stream for tonight is going to be. I'll just give you a half-day recap. The swing trades are, yeah, we're in profit on the commodities, definitely, and some of the forex. And I'm looking at, obviously, we're going into CPI tomorrow. All these trades could go to zero. Woo! We're in a profit on both, so that's working out so far in the day. We'll check all the trades tonight and adjust, and stick to the rules, man. It's going to be that'll be on about 9 o'clock UK time, and yeah, bye. Look for this breakout. Now remember, it's going to be two-sided. You got CPI tomorrow. Find and then look for that turn on this one. This is a very profitable day because this is one of my best days because like two-sided markets are pretty. You just really zoom in on when the sellers are going to kick in, whether it's this level or it's going to be high up the Globex, which is up here, man. This. Here, or where it is now. You got to make that decision on the low time frames. See where it's staying, take time, and then hammer the shorts, man. Hammer the shorts. But you want to see extension, yeah? You want to see this. Basically, look at this move here. This 5-minute bar, if you get a 2x off of that, you're looking miles high. So I wouldn't start. I mean, you're looking at all-time highs off of that bar. That was a pretty big bar, man. Blimey, look at that. So no wonder it took so long to fill it. Now it's breaking out. Just let's see where it consolidates. Bang, try and catch the up move. And then you should find a sharp down move later today if you're trading all day. So hopefully you make a lot of money, man. And if I've helped at all, just, this is me, bro, going through it. Honest to God. Look at this anchored VWAP. Just really accurate, man. And I might not have it on the right bar. Like it could be on the breakout bar of demand. Look at that. See, if you do it on the actual bar that broke out and created the demand, look at that. But I normally just put it on the low, and I know it can be. See, the further you go as well. Remember, the further you go away, the lower it goes. So, anyways, I'm going to keep it there. Save that for tomorrow. That's gone. I'm going to close this up. Stream is going down. All right. Thank you for just subscribing if you subscribed, and if you end up watching this. All right. Cheers. I'm going to be on tomorrow, and I'll be on tonight, just streaming my adjustments on the swing trades. And yeah, let's learn all this shit together. Look at this. This is sick. It's breaking out, boys. I wish I had time. I got to go to work. I got to go do a real job. But this is annoying. I am absolutely heartbroken right now. I have to go to my regular job because I know I could make some money here. And remember, the first day I streamed, I was about to fund the account and I blew it up. It was literally $300 away to funding the 9,000 target. And I blew the account up because I decided to stream it, and my head was, I don't know what happened. It just like I was trying to do this. I was focused on the streaming and not focused on what I was supposed to be doing, and just lost control. So now we're trying to recover that. I'm going to fund this account here, and then we're going to I've decided I'm going to reduce size, take it slow, right? Get 2 or 3 of them on the go, right? So I can feel like I'm making enough money, because I have to make $5,000 at least a month to be able to just survive my bills and even consider quitting a job. So I need really $10,000 a month before I can quit my job. And I need to do that for, a year or 6 months or something. So something that, whether it happens in 1 month or, 6 months or 2 months, I don't mind it being up and down. I just need to have the confidence, right? So, all right. Anyways, I'm going to turn it off now. Otherwise, I'll keep going forever. Bye.